Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about which beers I bottle and which beers I put on kegs and why. When I'm deciding either to keg a beer or to bottle a beer, there are some things I always consider. Is it a hobby beer? Is there a risk of just a small oxidation? Is it a beer I want to give away? Is it a beer I want to store for a long time? Basically, this is a no-brainer for me. When I keg beers, I can keep it 100% oxygen-free. So all hobby beers, they go in this one. Basically, all other beers, they go in bottles. There's a small oxidation even though you sugar carbonate your beer in bottles. I know the yeast will actually eat some of or use the oxidant, but if it was a really hoppy NEPA or something like that, the couple of days it will take for the oxygen to be removed by the yeast will actually oxidate your beer. So I don't bottle hobby beers. I have a counter pressure filler, but I basically never use that. So I could bottle from my keg, but again, I only do it if they're going to be drunk the same day because, yeah, again, oxidation. And I don't want to give away bad beer. If I have room in my keezer, I will keg other beers. But most of the beers are going in bottles. Because there's also the fact I only have room for 2 to 3 kegs in my keezer. So the rest have to go somewhere else. And yeah, they go in bottles. I sugar carbonate in the bottle. That will actually make them last longer. Yeah, and especially imperial stouts and stuff like that that are actually going to improve by age. Yeah, so that's a pretty simple question actually. I keg my beer when they're hobby, and basically all of the beers goes in bottles. So that was it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, write to me in the comments or write to me on email or Instagram, Facebook, whatever. So yeah, have a brewing out there.